Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the hotspot can share credentials via QR. Not all devices do, so check firmware or model documents. Once confirmed, power the hotspot and make sure you can access its admin interface or a QR generator app. On the target device, enable Wi-Fi and camera permissions so scanning works instantly. Now, log into the hotspot settings, locate the Wi-Fi SSID and password fields, and get ready to create the QR image. This step prepares secure, scannable data. Once you have the SSID and passphrase, choose the correct security type, WPA2 or WPA3, for compatibility. Incorrect selection prevents connection. Enter those values into the QR generator inside the router UI or an app and create the QR code. Display it on a monitor or print it at sufficient size and contrast so the camera can read it. Then, on the connecting device, open the native camera or Wi-Fi scanner. Aim at the center and accept the prompt to join. The phone will parse and apply the network settings. After scanning, make sure the device lists the correct SSID and shows a connected status. Then open a web page to confirm internet access. If connection fails, first double-check the SSID, passphrase, and chosen security type in your QR. Small typos break it. Also ensure the camera focuses and lighting is adequate. Rescanning often fixes read errors. If problems persist, join manually by typing credentials, reboot the hotspot, or update firmware on both devices to resolve compatibility issues, and then try the QR workflow again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.